don't
Sir,
want
did
any
you
filming.
order like in Lazada or Shopee?
No.
Sir, Ma'am, good afternoon po. Dito po ba nakatira si Sir David Striker? Nasaan po? Palabas na po. Sige po. Ay, hello sir. Ay, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
What? I know what it is. It's what you did for your mom. I don't like this.
sir, are you Sir David Striker?
Yes. I don't like
Sir.
pictures. I don't
Sir,
want any
did you
filming.
order like in Lazada or Shopee?
No.
Sir, we bring your order,
I
sir.
didn't order.
You want to see, sir?
No. You can see. I don't.
Sir, come on, sir. Sir, come on, sir.
You know I don't like this. Why did you do this?
Open this, sir. Ayan. Ayan, surprise, sir. Ayan, sir, dito po, sir. Ayan, Sir David, happy birthday, sir. Ayan. Sir, come on, sir.
Really? I don't want to pick. I don't want to pick.
Ayan. So, sir, cause it's your 66th birthday today, sir. Ayan, balloons for you po, sir. Ayan. And then, the fruits po. Ayan.
Okay, I'm done.
Ayan, sir, now I will read the message for you po, sir. Happy birthday, my love. I wish you all the best. Long life and good health. I don't know how to start, but I will start with a thank you because God gave you to me. I asked for a man to love me and He sent me you. I didn't say anything to God, just thank Him. And I didn't complain about you. I just accept who you are with all of my heart. I'm sorry if this is my life. I know this is not the life you dream of, retirement life. I'm sorry if the people here are not friendly and not appreciated to all the things you've done for them. I'm also sorry if there are many people passing by who are not family members. I understand you and I know what you mean. I'm sorry the animals are noisy here. Even though I serve my chicken and there are still a lot of noises because we are in the farm. But I'm sure I'm gonna miss you. Always remember that I love you to the most more than too much. It's not even obvious but it's true. Happy birthday again, and I hope I did make you happy today. I love you so much. Ayan. So sir, what can you say about the message of your wife, Ma'am Hannah?
It's very sweet. It is very sweet.
Sweet as honey.
Yeah, sweet as honey.
Ayan. Because it's your birthday mo, sir. So, we will greet you, sir. A happy birthday!
Thank you.
Ayan na, sir. Because it's your birthday today, we will sing a happy birthday for you, sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
a wish po and then blow the candle po, sir. Ayan, so Sir Dave,